To our step-by-step guide on how to download Atomic Wallet on iOS. Follow along as we walk you through each step. Now start by unlock your iOS device and find the App Store icon. Tap on it to open. Use the search bar at the bottom to type Atomic Wallet. Type Atomic Wallet in your keyboard. Look for the official app labeled Atomic Wallet. Tap Get to download. You may need to use Face ID or enter your Apple ID password to proceed. Wait for it to install. Then you can see the option to open. Click on Open. Now you can create new wallet or restore from backup. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.